Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these very easy white chocolate, cranberry, walnut candies. So let's get started. I have melted some white chocolate chips in a bowl over hot water. And if your chocolate doesn't melt very well, you can add a tablespoon of coconut oil or even any oil that you have in your kitchen. So now that I have my chocolate melted, I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of walnuts. You could add pecans if you have pecans, and some dried cranberries. You can add as much or as little as you like of these. I lined some small muffin tins with some baking cups. If you don't have baking cups, you could just grease the individual cups. And now I'm just going to fill my little cups with my mixture. Like that, and I'm going to set these in the refrigerator to set up. And they're all set up now. Let's have a look at them. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make these cranberry walnut white chocolate candies. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.